Welcome to this intro tutorial on creating object behavior components with Ilios in Visionaire Studio 5. So to start off, we're going to create this new component, and I'm going to go ahead and use the boilerplate that Visionaire sets up by choosing Create New Game with minimal configuration. Once everything loads, we want to switch over to the visual scripting section. Here on the left panel, we will create a new block. I'll name mine Test Behavior. And you're going to want to go ahead and choose code. This is where we're going to define our new behavior. So first we're going to define the class and inherit from object behavior. This will allow us to apply the behavior to any object that's in a scene. Now we're going to customize what happens when the object first loads, and we're going to do this by overriding the awake method. In programming lingo, this would be the equivalent of a constructor. To keep things simple, we're just going to write out some text to the log. So we're going to use debug print and some text. It's alive. Now, once we're done, we're going to go ahead and save. You're going to want to go back to the scene. We're going to choose the object that we want to add this behavior to. Go over to the right panel, choose Components tab, add a new component, and we're going to find our behavior under the Behaviors tab. So once we do that, that's now applied to this rock, and we're going to go ahead and run this scene. So now, once this scene is running, every time that rock loads, the log is going to have an output that says, it's alive. And to show that it happens on every load, what we can do is go into the game and come back into the scene, and we'll see that it gets hit again. So this is a simple way to set up and have something fire every time the object loads in a scene. Thanks for checking out my tutorial, and feel free to post any comments you might have or any questions that you might have on this video.